Hello Internet! Welcome back again to my channel, Angel May, Bisaya-American. So if you're new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And thank you everyone for all the support and all the viewers. Because of you guys, my channel still keep going. And I'm inspiring doing more videos. So for today's vlog is I'm going to unbox these boxes here. So I got these boxes. This is to Angel May, Bisaya-American. So this is my first time, guys. I received a gift from somebody, stranger. So I have to open this box, what's inside. So excited. So I got 2 boxes. So I don't know who's this from, guys. We'll find out. We'll find out together, guys. Holy moly! Congratulations! Oh my god! This is from Shorts Video! Oh my god, thank you so much! Let me see, they sent me from Shorts. Oh my god! Look at this, guys. It's Shorts Video from YouTube. A logo from YouTube, guys. The Shorts Video. Oh my god. Thank you, Shorts. And we'll find out the other one. It's an early gift. This makes me happy, guys. Oh, they sent me 2. The same. Oh, really? Thank you. There you go. Congratulations from Shorts. Thank you so much. Makes me happy. Another. I got 2. Thank you so much. This is my really early Christmas gift that makes me happy. At least somebody sent this to me for my channel, Angel May Bisaya-American. They send me for congratulations for the month of October. Thank you so much, Shorts. Thanks. There you go. Angel May, Bisaya-American. Go, Angel May, Bisaya-American. Go, Angel May, Bisaya-American. Yes, 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 yes. Thank you so much. Inspired. Thank you. Salamat!